Hi everyone, we're back and we are going to finish up our painting, our dot painting, and we're going to finish it up by learning about and creating some tints of color. Now, if you remember, we started off our dot painting with our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, and then we just learned how to mix up the secondary colors, purple, orange, and green. And now we're going to learn about tints. And a tint is when you take any color, you add white to it and mix it together, and then that color comes out lighter. That is a tint of blue. So that's what we're going to work on today. We have our same materials, but I've included white paint, tub of water, our plate for mixing, a toweling, and of course our paintbrush. So we're going to start. I'm going to mix up that tint of blue. So I'm going to wet my brush. I'm going to add some blue paint, a little bit of blue paint to my plate. I'm going to clean it off, wipe it on the toweling, and I'm going to get some white paint. Now I want this to be a light blue, so I'm going to probably add a little bit more white. And I'm going to mix it together, and you can see that makes a nice light blue. So I'm going to paint that around and you can really make choices yourself how you want to use this tint of color. Maybe I have more that I can put around this one here. So make your painting the way you want to make it, but following the directions I'm giving you on color mixing. I'm going to clean my brush off now, and I think I'd like to mix up some red. I'm going to use the red. So I'm going to take some of this, and remember we're substituting magenta for red. It makes a little nicer, brighter color. And I'm going to take my white, I'm going to take another scoop of white, and I'm going to mix that together. And I've made a tint. So now I'm going to take that, maybe I'll paint over here. Maybe I'll just have a magenta or a tint over here, and maybe another one over here. However you want to make your painting. Okay, I'm going to clean my brush. Now I want to make a light orange, a tint of orange. So to this magenta and white, I'm going to add some yellow and see what happens there. Yep. I think I need a little bit more magenta. Just a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more white. But this is fun because you can play with the colors to see what color you can make. Okay. And interesting. Cleaning my brush. I'm going to add, make some green. So I'm going to, oh, I didn't have to do that. Some yellow. Mix that. Add some white, some white to that to make a tint of green. I like that. Maybe I'll do that up here. So what I want you to do is experiment yourself with making tints of colors and adding or finishing up your dot painting. If you want to go back and add some more primary colors, remember you can do that. Just clean off your brush, wipe it, and if I feel like I need another yellow dot over here, just yellow, I can do that. I want you to complete your dot painting. When you're done, clean off your brush. Make sure you clean it off really well. You're going to throw your toweling out, put your paintbrush up on my table, throw your mixing plate away, put your painting in the dry rack. The tub of water gets dumped out in the sink, and the egg cartons of color carefully get closed and brought up to my table. You're all done. Congratulations, your first painting of the school year, the dot. Bye.